Is she flirting with you? Can you decode her flirting techniques? Women are the masters of subtle flirting, and most men can miss these signs. In this video, we're lifting the veil on the elusive art of female flirtation. From the coy smiles to the understated gestures, we'll guide you through the signs that often go unnoticed. Stay with us as we turn the cryptic into the clear, giving you the insights to never miss a beat in the language of love. But first, what is this subtle art of flirting that women are masters of? Subtle flirting is like a game of chess with a dash of charades. Complex, strategic, and sometimes downright baffling. It's an intricate ballet of gestures, glances, and words, where every move has meaning and every pause is pregnant with possibility. Women, the grandmasters of this game, often use subtle flirting as a way to test the waters, gently probing to see if there's mutual interest without putting all their cards on the table. It's a sophisticated dance, where the steps are nuanced and the rhythm is often felt rather than heard. Understanding these moves is crucial, not just for romantic success, but for the sheer joy of participating in one of humanity's oldest and most playful forms of communication. First up, mini celebrations. First on our decoding list is the delightful world of mini celebrations. Picture this. She suggests a quick coffee to toast your minor work victory or lights up over a shared interest in underwater basket weaving. These aren't just friendly gestures. They're her way of throwing confetti in the air and saying, "Hey, I like your vibe." Mini celebrations are her subtle way of creating shared moments of joy, a chance to step into a bubble of happiness together. It's like she's waving a tiny flag that says, "I'm into this and I'm into you." Recognizing these moments is your cue to join the party. So the next time she's excited about your half-marathon finish, even if you crawled the last mile, know that it's more than just politeness. It's a flirtatious high five. Suggestive glances during conversations. Suggestive glances, the silent language of flirting, speak volumes without uttering a single word. These are the lingering looks, the coy glances away, the eyes that sparkle with unspoken messages. They're like Morse code in a gaze, sending signals across the conversational ether. When she gives you that look, the one that seems to say more than a casual glance should, it's a sign that there's more to this interaction than meets the eye. It's a nonverbal nudge, a visual whisper that hints at interest and attraction. So when you catch that look, that fleeting yet charged exchange of glances, don't just brush it off as a random eye movement. It might be her way of saying, "There's more here than just words." Social media engagement. In the digital age, social media engagement is the new courtship dance. When she likes your Throwback Thursday photo from 2010 or leaves a witty comment on your post about your cat's latest antics, it's not just idle scrolling. She's digitally digging, showing interest in your online persona. This behavior is the modern equivalent of walking past your house to see if you're home, only less creepy and more socially acceptable. It's her way of waving from across the digital divide, a subtle nudge to say, "Hey, I'm here and I'm interested in your virtual world." So the next time she reacts to your year-old vacation photo, don't just brush it off as a random click. It might be her way of sending a virtual wink your way. Connecting outside usual meetings. When she makes an effort to connect outside your usual haunts, it's a green light flashing in the world of subtle flirting. This isn't about bumping into each other at the usual spots. It's about deliberate attempts to weave new threads into your interaction tapestry. Whether it's a text message suggesting a new sushi spot or an invite to a quirky art exhibit, these are her ways of saying, "I want to see you in different settings, under different lights." It's a step beyond the safety of routine encounters, a venture into the land of what could be. So when she reaches out to plan something out of the ordinary, see it as an opportunity to explore new facets of your budding connection. It's like she's opening a door to a secret garden, and she's hoping you're curious enough to step inside. Extending conversations. The art of extending conversations is a subtle sign that she's enjoying the ride and doesn't want to get off just yet. When she weaves new topics into the chat, lingers over her coffee, or finds reasons to circle back to earlier discussions, it's her way of saying, "I'm captivated and I want more." This isn't about filling silence with chatter. It's about relishing the exchange, savoring the back and forth like a fine wine. It's a conversational dance, where she's subtly leading you into deeper territory, exploring topics that reveal more than just surface-level banter. So, when the conversation flows like a gentle stream, don't rush to dam it up. Let it meander, follow its course, and enjoy the scenic route of getting to know each other. Playful sarcasm. Next up is the realm of playful sarcasm, a territory where humor meets flirtation in a dazzling display of wit. When she teases you about your questionable choice in superhero movies or your peculiar way of pronouncing quinoa, it's not a critique. It's flirtation wrapped in a riddle. This banter is the verbal equivalent of a playful nudge, a way of saying, I'm comfortable enough to poke fun, and I'm hoping you'll poke back. It's a delicate balance, though. The key is to keep it light and breezy, like a beach ball at a summer concert, not a lead balloon at a physics convention. Engaging in this witty repartee shows you're game for a laugh and can handle a bit of cheeky challenge. Just remember, if the sarcasm ever feels more like a sting, it's time to dial it back. Nobody enjoys a comedy roast on a first date. Playful arguing over small things. Ah, the art of playful arguing, where small debates become the playground of flirtation. This isn't about proving who's right about whether pineapple belongs on pizza. It's a debate as old as time. It's about engaging in a lighthearted tussle of opinions. This banter is like a verbal pillow fight, where the goal isn't to win, but to have fun in the fray. It's her way of showing she's comfortable enough to spar with you over life's trivialities, a sign that she enjoys your company and your brain's gymnastics. So, when she playfully argues that your favorite band sounds like a cat walking on a piano, take it as a flirtatious challenge, not a musical critique. Engage, laugh, and maybe, just maybe, let her win once in a while. It's all part of the dance. Unique compliments. Unique compliments are like personalized gifts in the flirting world. They show thought, attention, and genuine interest. When she comments on your unique laugh, your way with words, or your uncanny ability to name all the state capitals, it's her way of acknowledging the little things that make you, well, you. These compliments are like secret handshakes, a sign that she's paying attention to the details, not just the big picture. So, when she notices and appreciates the quirks and qualities that set you apart, take it as a sign that she's genuinely interested in the person behind the profile. It's her way of saying, I see you and I like what I see.